Welcome back, everyone, for this finals. And no, it is not a final match, but it is the first round of the Gun League finals. So, what is the Gun League finals? I'm gonna say it to you, I'm going to explain it to you. Simple. We have a league in our FNM, I guess, local game store. Sorry, I'm gonna reduce myself because the game is actually starting. Whoa, starting right now. Sorry. Up, I am small now, and you can see the game. So I'm just gonna explain fast. We have Flu here on Rakdos Waste Nut deck, Rakdos discard, and at your right, so left, yes, right, Joris, who is on Jeskai Wizard Control. Jeskai Wizard Control, indeed, you heard that right, you saw the title. So, I'm gonna explain it. What is the Gun League? The Gun League is... So the name of the association, I guess we call it that in English, is MTG1. It's the name of the French channel. The video are published on my personal channel, Orgum, of course. But in every video you have the link to the French channel. And so we have a league. You gain points to play the tournament and winning games, winning match in those FNMs. And then if you have enough points, if you are in the top 16, you are qualified for the finals. And what is the finals? It's one more tournament to play, and you can make big cash. So 16 player, the winner, go back home with a tropical island. So it's not puny stakes here. We are playing for a big card. Of course, it's not 5k territory in prices, but it's still reasonable. And so, yeah, this tournament, 16 player, and you have the first round here. And we have one exceptional player that qualified from a last chance tournament. So, yeah. So I choose for this first round Flu against Joris, Rakdos Wastenut against Jeskai Control, because I think it is an interesting matchup in favor for Rakdos. Mostly Rakdos, I would say, because it's hard for Control to keep up with all the discard, him to Turak, Thoughtseize, and the combo is not that easy to disrupt. And the deck rely a lot, the Rakdos deck rely a lot on Bowmaster, Bowcaster I like to call it. As you see, there is already one token in play from the Bowcaster. So yeah, this is an interesting matchup. I played it before as the control side. It's not easy, and I wanted to see how Joris did this part, and you can see him to Turak. So Thoughtseize to clear the way, and then the Turak to get the card out of the end. So, let's see. Caracas. So, it's one of the interesting cards. There is a deck tech in French, sorry, of the deck of Joris. He explained why the Caracas, and it is mostly for opponent against other Tamios. Protect his own Tamios for Emery, and for sometimes Atraxa, Marit Lage, stuff like that. It's just useful. What happens? Okay, so Thoughtseize in response play both a sort of plowshare, and now Joris is on top deck mode. It's not something you like to see, honestly. But the big improvement from Flux is that he's not playing Shoulder anymore, so Caracas has no effect. Maybe there is a... yes, there is the Cantor. What is it? Dread Cantor, Turak? Turak himself, I guess. Another one, Beauchester. So, any burning courier is... Oh my god. Aye. Okay. I think it's game here. Too much damage. Too much of everything, honestly. Still a card in the hand from... So, flute skipping that one. Wait, why don't you just select the card kept in hand? It's a 2 dice roll less. It's gonna be a lot of dice roll here. Yeah, just shuffling. So, the vibe of the event, even though we play for high prices, it's very casual. Everyone knows everyone, basically. We are the usual suspects, the usual guests. So, yeah, there is no... So, very casual vibe, even though we play for... there is some stakes, even though there is some stakes here. One more into Turak. More mana. So what happens? What happens? So he drew a single card, made a lot of mana for the land discarded. So yeah, it's mostly the Beauchester who did the damage. Joris is at 17. Doesn't seem right. I think it's way less. It can be 17. Oh my god. Oh wow. Yeah. Pretty good here. And yeah, the concession. Directly the concession from Joyce. And the hard thing is what to side against the deck from Plu. What to side against Rakdos with Nut. What do you do against the deck? What do you do? Because from the Rakdos side, you saw the Pyroblast here. Yes, I saw them too. Yep, so a lot of Pyroblast. It's gonna be hard to resolve Flame of Enor, Tamiyo's, Force of Will, any blue spell. It's gonna be a bit harder. And from the control side, maybe you can Wrath of the Skies. Maybe I have the list. So if I remember correctly, there is a one Wrath of the Sky you can put in. Do you want Force of Negation? Not really. You don't really want any Force of Will. Really, they are not that useful. But if you let the waste not resolve, it's not good. It's not easy. It's not easy. What can you side out first? I guess the one Force of Negation. What else? Good question. Not really know. Because the way to beat those type of deck that basically rack deck, they try to discard everything in your hand, is to you make your land drops, and then you just slam payoff onto you just slam a lot of payoff. So if you play the old school version of Jeskai, not the wizard one, you would play just take any hand that make land drops, and then you Narzet into Teferi, into Jace, into Lingas. Yes, payoffs, with some a little bit of removal to deny the Beauchesters, even though it's gonna be a losing battle. And yeah, but here Wizard is not really known for big payoffs. I guess the goal is to try to resolve Flame of Enor and kill Disc and kill Enro 2. If you can do that several times, I think you are good, but that's not an easy thing to do. Not really easy, So Mulligan from Joris. Flu seems to keep the hand. Let's go a bit forward. It is kept from Joris. Okay, let's go. Flooded Island not cracked. Nothing. Nothing on turn 1. Fetch. No Staples. Plateau has been played. Joris has one duels from each type. So one plateau, one volcanic, and one tundra. Only one. And then mostly basics. 7 basics to be precise. 4 island, 2 plains, and 1 mountain. Or maybe the opposite. Maybe 2 mountains, 1 plain. I think it's 2 plain, 1 mountain. I'm not 100% sure, but and Turak has been milled, okay. Or missing, so the end must be missing mana, I think, to mill Turak like that, because you really want to play the Turak at 4. So because pro white, discard, full grind, I think there is mana problems from Flu here. Maybe kept one lander. I would have not done that, especially on the draw. On the draw, I think I would mulligan every no one lander end, honestly. From Flu, you cannot just play one spell a turn. Ah, no. That was not a good kept. No. Okay, so I'm giving a big advantage to Joris now. You cannot really miss the second land drop. It's too punishing, even against control. Especially against control. Especially against anyone. Especially against control, I would say. Because against control, the game's gonna go long, but the tempo matters. I think against tempo, that will be the same. Maybe more punishing against tempo. But matchups like, I don't know, combo matchup mostly, Reanimator, stuff like that. You don't really care to have only one land if you have the Fairy Macabre and stuff like that. Free spells. Sometimes I keep no lander in tempo decks, but I have 2 to 3 Force of Will, 2 to 3 piece of interaction against Dredge maybe, stuff like that. 30s once again. No land also from Joris, both player very low on land. And the Ponder missed the third land drop. Explaining our author Lisa. Third land drop, okay. Still one land from Flu. So almost a 2-for-1. It's a 2-for-1 as long Bowmaster does not hit the table. Maybe if the end of from Flu was very, very good, and by that I mean a lot of Bowmaster, sorry. Maybe I would have kept the end, but still I'm not so sure here. Burning Quarry, maybe it's time to just Burning Quarry to try to find some lands. Maybe. Could have done that before. No, don't bolt the snap. So why not? Why you should not bolt the snap? And why you should play Burning Core instead? Simple, you want to make land drops and snap. I don't think snap going to kill you. Just one Bowmaster completely destroy the Snapcaster in not only in half but in million pieces. So yeah, I really don't like that bolt. I really don't like that bolt. But now Joris should be doing stuff. I mean, if Joris lose this game, it's time to stop playing Jeskai Control, I think. Can happen. Can flood. Tundra. Why? Why the third blue? Okay, because it's scaling turn, so he cannot fetch directly the basic planes. You have to go through the tundra, and he does not have another plateau, so he has to do it. Damn, a lot of bolts. 12 life from Joris. A lot of mana also. I do not remember what's left in Joris' hand, honestly. I do not know. But it seems to pay off for Flu. I don't think it was the right way, because if Joris had anything to do during those last 3 turns, would have been ended very badly for Flu. For the free art casted. Nice. We like it. One other thing, Joris do not play any Mystic Sanctuaries or Surveillance. Keeping a low, no nonsense mana base. Maybe the Caracas you can make that a Mystic Sanctuaries maybe. And fetching for the red. Okay, so no keeping a fetch for a Brainstorm or for a Ponder. I don't really understand the reason here. And now he's vulnerable to Wasteland. Do you have Force of Will? No. So this game is typically a good example of why responses answer should be better than threats, because here Joris has a lot of answers but no threats, so he's doing nothing and is not advancing the game state in his favor, really. So as long as he does not draw a big payoff like a Lingas, like a Flame of Anor. Flame of Anor is not that big, honestly. But if he does not draw something like that, well, the game state is not advancing in his favor. So that's why that game is a really good example why answers like Sword to Plowshare should always be better than threats. Because if you are a threat and your opponent does not have the answer, well, you win. But the reverse is false. That's why. No card advantage is tough, indeed. A lot of nothing this game. 2 lands, obvious Bowmaster. Sorry, Bowcaster is being held up by Flu. Bowcaster. Yes, Wastenet does not have flash. What to do now? What to do? Brainstorm in response to Bowcaster. That's the right time to do it. Otherwise, you will take a lot of damage for not much reward. Oh my god, the Bowmaster is resolving now. So, 1 damage. There is probably a sword for the main threat here. That one. But look at that. Still the 1-1. The 1-1 has to be dealt with something. You have to do it. You have to deal with it. Control player. Block it with your auto, maybe. But 2 damage. Snapcaster Mage. And step. Pyroblast. Hydroblast. Those battles. That's nice. So, end of turn. If only Snapcaster was a 2-2. Honestly, they could just reprint a Snapcaster. Same effect, honestly. Exact same effect. For blue-white, you make a Snapcaster blue-white. Same effect, but 2-3. Or 2-2 first strike. Or 2-1 first strike. Whatever. Whatever you want. Just reprint this one. Or 1-2 first strike. Whatever. I think it's fine. Astrogen. That's a new card. I'm gonna search for it. I'm gonna show you. Sorry. I was a bit too laid back. Sorry about that. I'm gonna search it on my own. Here, Skyfall. Astrologian. Planisphere. Let's look at that beauty. New card from Final Fantasy. Create 1-1. When arrived, it's an artifact for 1 blue, 1 colorless. And basically, it's equipment that transforms the creature into a wizard. So it creates basically a wizard. And whenever you cast a no creature spell, and whenever you draw your 3rd card turn, for the turn, you put a +1/+1 counter. So basically, whenever you take game actions, forcefully pitching 1 more Astrologian Planisphere. One more Pyroblast. Discarding nothing. So it's a 2-2 now. So a 2-2 can block a 1-1 and it's a colorless 2-2. Does it make the creature blue? Not blue, no. Just a wizard. Okay. Okay. Why the light is so weird? Maybe it's just the light of the computer, the screen. It seems so weird. I'm like it's like I'm in a desert or something with a full sun on me. But if you like it's almost night. I don't understand the lighting here, but yes, I guess it's my webcam doing miracles. Oh no, I closed the. Well, no card search anymore. It's finished. Why don't you just roll 1 die for the card kept? Still don't understand. So 2 spells. So there is a Waste Not in play. Burning Quarry will do nothing. And I think Waste Not just count the card discarded. Doesn't care where it goes. So 2 spells and a land. So 2 mana and 2 cards drawn from the Waste Not. Okay. One more land. 30s. Cast Dress Down in response. So just to cycle, maybe he find, I don't know, a land and to fizzle the 30s. So ponder should go, well, not really, because I would say should go under the Doty, but there is a dress down, negating the effect. Ah no, it's negating the effect. You should not go into that pile. That's why you should have a cooldown, because it's probably a card drawn. Okay, so just a 1-1, doing nothing. Not the bestest Bochester here. The dress down sacrifices itself at the end of the turn. Going to the Doty pile. That's crazy game to lose, honestly. 5 damage deal. It's exiled because the effect resolve before the Doty is sent to graveyard due to board state effects. I don't really know the English term, but yeah. Both players draw a card and discard a card. So draw a land, discard a land. So 2 mana made from the Waste Nut. 2 black mana to be precise. Doty Voidwalker, another one. So that guy's being a one-off, quite is going doing the work. And yeah, Joris still losing this one. Damn. Even though Flu was on a manaless. And that's crazy because imagine just Joris playing Wastelands. While Flu can never win the game. Can never do anything. Because of Wasteland, because he kept her hand with a Wildlander. Yeah, that's why you play Wasteland, I guess. Okay, well, I hope you liked it, and I see you next round for the next round of the final of the Gun League. So the next round will be the third, of course, because we are doing only the odd rounds, and then the semi-final. That was a semi-final and a final, so you will see the semi-final, and everything else will be casted and commented in French in the channel, in the description, if you ever want to see the games. Or don't, because it's French, and I can understand why you don't want to hear it. So, see you.